Look at the sky. Look at the sky. Like rain out for pour anytime soon. Like, go there. Go there. Welcome or welcome back to Artsy Island Girl Jamaican Vlogs. I'm Artsy and this is our development series. Now, number one, I've heard about Shake Shack, but it's the first time hearing about Bird Shack. That doesn't sound like a very appealing name for a restaurant. Anywho, apparently it's been in Jamaica for some time now. Well, according to this article, since last year when the first location was opened at Witter Village. The Bird Shack Jamaican franchisees will open 20 stores on the island on their 5-year contract. Wayne Cummings, Omar Robinson, and Robert Headley inaugurated the second Bird Shack at Barnet Tech Park, Montego Bay last Friday, with another opening on Barnet Street in December. Glad to see more restaurants are coming to Barnet Street. We had Burger King and Popeyes open up about a year ago, then Domino's joined the fold, and now this other one. Well, Domino's soon joins the fold. I realize that they're working on it. Singer Store? Yeah, I think it's the Singer Store. It's right beside the Singer Store. Alright, and then beside it you have J&J Pharmacy and a clothing store. That's where Domino's is going to be on Barnet Street. Based on the article I read, Bird Shack will be on Lower Barnet Street in front of the bus park. Down that side, we already have Juicy Patties and Tasty Patties, so they'll be getting some competition. Now, they've invested $150 million hiring 100 Jamaicans. The initial Bird Shack cost $45 million and the new one $80 million. Number 2, pop quiz. Do you know what the 6th smallest country in the world is? Guess. Principality of Liechtenstein. I think it's Liechtenstein. I looked up the pronunciation before reading the script, but I don't know if I nail it. Let's compare.
Liechtenstein.
Now, Jamaica and Liechtenstein have established diplomatic ties, solidifying a pivotal partnership. The signing, held on Monday, united Kamina Johnson-Smith, Jamaica's Minister of Foreign Affairs and Foreign Trade, and Dominic Hasselhoff, her Liechtenstein counterpart. This move aligns with Jamaica's commitment to diversify partnerships and boost trade and investment for economic growth. Liechtenstein is the 6th smallest nation worldwide and enjoys high per capita income, having transitioned from agriculture to a financial services leader. Number 3. Montego Bay's Harbour City Mall project, a $10 million investment, will include a pioneering feature, Sky Harbour Hotel, a 10-suite luxury hotel within the mall, offering stunning waterfront views. Madam, what's the name? I go have a hotel. I don't remember seeing that in any of the articles I read, but interesting. The concept evolved over time through input from various stakeholders and was part of the original approved plans. Cool. The hotel will welcome both locals and visitors, okay, as is expected, featuring fine dining and integrating the mall's amenities, which will include over 50 new brands. Right. Conveniently located at the intersection of Howard Cook Highway and Market Street, just a 10-minute drive from Sangster International Airport, the mall offers ample parking with over 300 spaces available across 2 rooftop levels and nearby areas. While the opening date is yet to be announced, it is imminent, according to the managing director. I'm not going to try and pronounce that name. Them never say August, them go open. Anyways. If memory serves me correct, they said that it would be ready in August. We're in September. It's September 21 now. Yeah. And I'm not ready. That's okay, yeah. Road widened and all. Look nice. See me can cross. They don't knock me down, please. A seating that me I see. Oh, looks nice and lighting and all. Okay, that looks like seating. See? Can actually see over there. Cool. Hello. When you guys are gonna open up? I'm not sure. Alright. Look, it's coming on nicely. Alright. Oh, hi. Those are like solar. Cool. Like it, I like it. Alright, let's go around to North Gully side. Them take down the fence. The zinc fence. Or somebody will come and put this down. Lighting up top. Up there. It's the same thing that they had at the front. I guess it's going to be an entrance. Alright, let's get around to the other side now. Bye.